In example 3, we're going to take a look at multiplying. So we're going to take f, which is x squared plus 7x plus 12. I'm going to multiply that by 3x minus 4. I think what I'll do on this one, when I take a trinomial times a binomial, I'll use a strategy of making a table here, because I just think it's a lot easier to keep things organized if you make a table. So I'm going to say x squared plus 7x plus 12. I'm going to take that times 3x minus 4. So I'm going to distribute my 3x to all my terms. So I get 3x cubed. And then plus 21x squared plus 36x. I'll take negative 4 times each of this. So I'll say negative 4x squared times negative 28x. And then negative 4 times 12 would be negative 48. Now let's combine my like terms to write my answer. So I'm going to say 3x cubed. And then notice you can combine your like terms. 21 minus 4 is positive 17x squared. And if I take negative 28 plus 36, I get positive 8x. Then minus 48. Now if we do f divided by g, I'm going to say x squared plus 7x plus 12 all over 3x minus 4. My restriction is you can't divide by 0, so 3x minus 4 cannot be 0. Or think of it this way, x cannot be 4/3. Add 4 and divide by 3. Now I can factor my numerator. I'm going to factor that. I don't think it's going to matter though. Yeah, I can go x plus 4 and x plus 3, but it doesn't divide. So we're just done. There isn't anything else for you to do on this one. So you just write down the division problem and then put your restrictions on it and you're done with that problem. Take a look at the next problem. It says Imelda is buying tickets to an aquarium for a school trip. Adult tickets cost $24 and student tickets cost $15. There's going to be 3 chaperones on the trip. Write a function c of x to represent the total sales of the tickets where x is the number of students on the trip. So I'm going to say c of x equals, now students cost $15 per ticket, so 15 times x. And then there's 3 adult tickets and they're $24 each, so 3 times 24. Which I can simplify to 15x, and 3 times 24 is 72. That's the total cost. Example 6, it says everyone who goes on the trip will split the total cost of the tickets evenly. Write a function of n of x to represent the number of people who will contribute. So what happens is we're going to say n of x equals, well, we're going to have 15 students, or not x students, not 15 students, we're going to have x students and 3 chaperones, so x plus 3. Then, my final answer, I'm going to take c divided by n. So I'm going to say 15x plus 72 I'm going to divide that by x plus 3. And what this is, what does this represent? Well, this is the price each person will pay. There you have it. So the kids are going to pay a little bit more than their tickets, and the adults will pay a little bit less than their tickets.